This channel will help you create better images underwater, whether you're just starting out or an experienced diver, and today I'm going to tell you why. Hello to Rigged and Ready, the Pixel Dive. Here we talk everything underwater photography. I'm Toby and I'm your host, and I will start this channel completely new. I dive since 2009 and I'm in the underwater photography since over a decade, so I have lots of experience to build this channel on. I started with a really small setup, just an action camera, Action Pro X7, and worked my way up to the whole setup I have today. Not so small anymore, but the images are well worth it. On my way up, I learned from the mistakes I made during this process, and I want to help you prevent doing the same mistakes, so you could start easily and get better pictures in a pretty short period of time. For those who speak German, I have a book already finished where I show everything a person needs to start in the underwater photography. If you want to know which housing, which camera, which lens, what are the difference and where to start in underwater photography, and if you speak German, then this is a good starting point. I came from a small German channel here on YouTube that is mainly about photography gear, especially the Sony E-mount and MFT mount, and I tried to do the underwater photography as a side hustle on this channel, but it didn't work out quite easily. The community of divers is relatively small and the group of underwater photographers is even smaller, and apparently in my eyes there's a lack of a channel that consistently provides quality information, reviews, educational videos and around this matter, so I would like to fill up this gap. I would love to share classic tech reviews in underwater photography, like housings, like cameras, maybe like action cams or something like that, as well as sharing tips and tricks to become better in underwater photography. And a new segment will there be as well, where I show you some of the new things that come to the underwater photography world. And now your help is needed. I started this channel because YouTube actively hides the underwater photography content on my main channel. It's not the typical stuff I provide there, so YouTube thinks, okay, most of the viewers don't want to see it, so I don't show it at all. And that's pretty bad, because the video has the same amount of work putting into it than a usual video. So I thought about, okay, getting it up here in a different channel. If you like the concept of this channel, I would love you to subscribe, comment, give thumbs up and help spread the word that this channel is existing. And this would be a big help for starting this channel. In exchange, feel free to provide me with comments for video ideas, for tech you want to see or something like that. Write everything in the comments and I will go through and take a look what I could provide you with in a video. For the beginning, I have planned a 3-week schedule between every video. It's not often, yes, but it's just a starting point to take a look where we stand, what's possible with this channel, and everything else we will figure out on the way. If you stayed all the way to the end, please leave a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what you think about my new channel idea. I hope you look forward to this video project as enthusiastic as I am, and then we will see in the next video. Bye bye.